Hey, what is up? It's Tech Drift here with a brand new video for you guys today. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download Lyft so you can request rides. Let's go into the App Store like how I just did right now and search up Lyft. And we're just going to go ahead and download Lyft. And there it is. Lyft is right there. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.